erasers, the look on their faces when they thought they'd break away.